Welcome back, friends, to our channel Crypto Compass USA. Today, join me as I dive deep into the world of Bitcoin and challenge myself to uncover its hidden building blocks. Understanding these underlying components is crucial for both new and experienced investors, as it can make all the difference in navigating the complex world of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin's volatility and environmental impact are two of the most significant misconceptions surrounding the currency. Many people view Bitcoin as an unstable investment, prone to sudden price swings that can leave investors with significant losses. This volatility has led some to question the long-term viability of Bitcoin as a legitimate currency. The environmental impact of Bitcoin is another concern, with many critics pointing to the massive amounts of energy required to power the complex mathematical calculations that underlie the currency. This has led to accusations that Bitcoin is contributing to climate change, which has sparked heated debates about its sustainability. Bitcoin's perceived volatility and environmental impact have created significant challenges for mainstream adoption, as many potential investors are put off by these concerns. Despite these challenges, many experts believe that Bitcoin has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money and financial transactions. The key to overcoming these misconceptions is education, as many people simply do not understand how Bitcoin works or what it has to offer, leading to a lack of trust and confidence in the currency. The underlying technology of Bitcoin is based on blockchain, a decentralized ledger that records all transactions made with the currency. This blockchain is maintained by a network of computers around the world, which work together to validate and verify each transaction. Mining is the process by which new Bitcoins are created, and it involves using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical calculations. Decentralization is a critical component of Bitcoin's infrastructure, as it allows the currency to operate independently of any government or financial institution. This decentralization is what gives Bitcoin its value and security, as it is not subject to the same risks and vulnerabilities as traditional currencies. The blockchain technology that underlies Bitcoin has a wide range of potential applications, from secure data storage to smart contracts. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see new and innovative uses for blockchain emerge. The security of Bitcoin's blockchain is due to its decentralized nature, which makes it virtually impossible to manipulate or alter the ledger, giving users confidence in the integrity of their transactions. The history of Bitcoin has been marked by several pivotal moments, including the significant price surge in 2017. This surge saw the value of Bitcoin skyrocket, reaching unprecedented heights and attracting widespread attention from investors and media alike. The regulatory environment for Bitcoin has also undergone significant changes over the years, with some countries embracing the currency and others seeking to restrict its use. These changes have had a major impact on the value and adoption of Bitcoin and will likely continue to shape its future. The price surge of 2017 was a significant turning point for Bitcoin, as it marked a major milestone in the currency's development and sparked a wave of interest and investment. This surge was driven by a combination of factors, including increased demand and improved infrastructure. The regulatory changes that have taken place over the years have helped to clarify the status of Bitcoin and provide a clearer framework for its use, which has helped to build trust and confidence in the currency. The main insights shared about Bitcoin's infrastructure highlight the importance of understanding its underlying technology and the implications for the future of digital currency. By grasping these concepts, investors can make more informed decisions and navigate the complex world of cryptocurrency with confidence. Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to check out another video on cryptocurrency trends for further learning, as the world of Bitcoin and digital currency is constantly evolving, and there's always more to discover.